Yo, I think I saw a boy living in that house here. Alright, cool. Here we go on. You go in, me stay out just and watch. Alright, do that. Cool. Run.
Eh?
Run. Come back over here, see. Hello. What you are doing yourself? Come here.
My producers have just informed me that our weather correspondent is out in the field as there is currently a snowstorm. Let's go to him. Kevin, can you hear me? Kevin? Kevin! What is the weather like out there, Kevin?
But when you go out to the weather like you're blind, it has snow, and it's cold. The rascal are down.
Oh, Kevin, remember, we are live.
Yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, they will fuck off.
You're live, your kids watching.
Them can fuck off too.
Ladies and gentlemen at home, we apologize. It seems our correspondent may be having
a bad day. You talk about have a bad day. From 9:30 me out there this morning. 9:30. What time now? 10 o'clock at night. Every day up in the studio warm. When time to go to Hawaii and then place there, you first one go. When the fucking place don't come up, I get in your car. Put money in a below freezing when I go out to my daughter. Yo, I told me I try to change, but I not give a one-way ticket to way up on the ancestor. Last time I freaking town here, no take no way. I tell you wait, I miss you fast.
Stay tuned for more.
Very economical, carbohydratical, photosynthesis.
Elasthetic.
Yes, all these words can describe the match lineup for these two teams, Jamaica and USA. Very competitive.
Both countries have been fighting. One been fighting both and the other fighting harsh weather conditions.
Sorry about that, Clyde. And you can see the Jamaicans are off and they're still winning. Whoa, that was quite gravitational. Oh my God, the Jamaicans are still winning out of desperation. In the famous words of DJ Kelly,
Another one by the Jamaican
Clyde, are you seeing those bolts of glory?
Yes,
quite
yes.
historical.
In the recap of what happened, you can see right here, Clyde is where he lost his balance. Gravity got the best of him. He was like, to hell with it.
Booyah, I win. Fuck! Hanjo! I thought you out here say, come here to me. Mummy, I missed you. What out here? Nobody with it in here, go sit down. You know, come here, man, come here. No, Mummy, no. Go sit down. I'm gonna leave, yeah?
OMG, hi! Hi? You're Perry's new girlfriend.
No, wife.
Oh my god, he used to take me to Juicy Beef like every Friday. That nicey? We got East Japanese every night. And like drive me around in his Honda Civic. You're funny bad. Cause him drive a Benz now. And you wouldn't believe he took me shopping and bought me all these shoes. Girl, you're cute. And buy me a house. And he used to look at me and be like, oh my god, baby, you're so tight. What is up with him in a tight with teeth? This is so strange. He's told me nothing about you. Yeah, come and tell him to block you. Excuse.
Presently, I'm a virgin, budget. It's on a rich budget. It's presently right now in the zone. I don't know if you can talk to the camera right now. But let's check out some of the features. I got the quite no intense Michael Mark Schumacher. Bloody. Oh, what happened? You don't know. But it's not that.
Yoda! Ross! Where you leave me for? Somebody what to do about it to Keisha. You know no Keisha? No, me no know nobody named Keisha. So get up and go tell him, man. I your house. Yo, bad man, I know you so Keisha live, you know. Check next door. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. Next door. Yeah, next door. Try next door. Alright, cool. Big up yourself. Ah, cool.
Yo, dog. Yo, you hear the peanut butter joke? He, dog. No, dog, no. Dog, never mind. I'm not about to tell you. You go spread it.